Hello YouTube, this is Ryan for the Spark Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you another video tutorial. It's also another fix tutorial, as seems to be a lot of problems with Cydia lately. One message before I start: if you are experiencing problems with Cydia, like it being slow, the mod.my repo not appearing, other repos not appearing, it's not you, it's the servers. There's high demand at the moment due to the new jailbreak being out, Green Poison RC5. And also everyone's upgrading to 4.2.1, re-downloading their packages, etc. So just wait maybe half a week and it'll be back to normal, as everyone would have downloaded their packages. There's also a nice enough annoying error where it puts your iPod into sandbox mode, and that's what I'm going through today. This bugged me for quite a while, and I decided to take action a couple of days ago, and I found a fix. A lot of forums on the internet have been asking people to restore to factory default and so many other things, but I found a way that works, which means that you keep pretty much everything you had beforehand and you're not in sandbox mode. So go to Cydia. First of all, you need to make sure you have the sinful iPhone repo added to your device. It's just, you can have a type it in Google if you want to see it more clear, but you can see it right here, sinfuliPhoneRepo.com. Make sure the HTTP is at the start and the little slashes at the end. Sometimes you never know, it might not like the slash at the end, so then re-add it and take away the slash, etc. Right, well, what you need to do for me is uninstall the app sync that you currently have installed from hackulo.us, and also uninstall Instalos. Normally they both uninstall at the same time anyway. Leave Source GUI and Hackulo security added. Also Hackulo resources. Let me just check that actually. See if this has any dependencies. Oh yeah, also leave Hackulo resources. You're going to have to uninstall that first though. So make sure you've got Source GUI still added, Hackulo security added, but uninstall this, otherwise it conflicts with what I'm going to do later. Right, now you need to search AppSync. And you need to download it from the sinful iPhone repo, but make sure you download the one that's specific to your OS. You don't want to be downloading any of the 4.0 plus ones, because they're the ones that have got the errors. So download the one specific for your OS. So if you're on 4.2.1, download the 4.2 one. If you're on 4.1, download that one. If you're on 4.0 or 4.0.1, download that one. And 3.2.1, etc., download that one. So yeah, I've downloaded that, and that's on my device. Now you need to search for Instalos. Right, so just make sure you put 4 at the end, because you're going to want to have the latest version. And this also needs to be downloaded from a sinful iPhone repo, as if you download it from hackulo.us, it realizes that you haven't got their app sync, and it will prompt you to install that, and I don't think there's already a way to get around that if you're installing it via Cydia. So go ahead and install that, and it will just install it like normal, and that's pretty much it. If it comes up with errors while you're installing Instalos 4, it will say like it's trying to overwrite a file or something. That's because you still have the package I mentioned earlier, the Hackulo resources. If you did uninstall that earlier on, you can now go ahead and install that after you've installed Instalos. After you've done all these procedures, simply reboot your device, and then just back out. Well, you'll be back on the springboard anyway. Go into Gamecenter, and if it's already logged in, log out, sign into your account. If it does take you to the sandbox account, log out again, log back in. It should take you back to your normal account, and well, that's now logged in. Now then go to the your apps. Also some apps, I know mainly free ones, instead of like detecting whether you're in developer mode, it simply switches the app to like a different kind of developer mode. Like you'll notice maybe the first time you downloaded the app, it like started and then stopped, and then you had to open the app back up again. So what you're going to have to do for that is you're actually going to have to delete the app off your iPod, and then you're going to have to reinstall it for it to not go into sandbox mode. But I'm guessing most of your apps, the ones that you've installed beforehand, like before this error started happening, that shouldn't have affected them. But if you do notice that it's happened, you're going to have to just delete it and reinstall it via the App Store. So yeah, you may lose your data, but I'm not really sure there's any way around you losing your data. You can go ahead and try. If you have had any problems with this, just comment down below and I will try my best to try and guide you through how you can fix whatever error you're getting. And that's been it. Please rate, comment and subscribe.
Motherfucker! The fuck was that? Ninja.